Hello in the next video of Web Native API cycle, and in this video we're gonna speak about some easy theme. It's gonna be short video. We're gonna speak about keyboard API here. Let's try demo. Keyboard API, no input yet, but what if I try to type something? G hello. You see, every time I click on my keyboard, let me show you. Every time when I click somewhere, this actual keyboard is gonna be shown. Yeah, for space it's a bit different implementation there, but we don't care about this now, because it's just a demo example. For example, backward, if we try numpad, we're gonna see real numpad, like things that gonna used in numpad. Yeah, you see, not just numpad 7, but it's actually go home. Yeah, Yankee go home. and I open Google Go support Google, because I click F1. Okay, we don't need this now. You see, okay, it's easy API where you can use this. You can use this when you want to show like some educational video where people like show what they typing every letter, like I guess you saw some of these videos where people typing on different languages and you just check letter by letter what's happened. Or when you want to show your interaction more properly, you can add this to your interface, or just for some fun games. And a lot of more content with this keyboard API. Usually it's used in a developer way, like without interface, just to check if someone click I and information open. I did this on my job, like we have some hotkeys. And this keyboard also used for hotkeys, if we not speak about how to display it in interface. So now let me check our audio context will be after code. Let me check code here. Actually we don't need audio context, it's the next video theme. I just did some changes there because it was a bit boring for video. In use keyboard, you see we have use keyboard demo, all code in description of course. In summary I will explain everything of this. Use keyboard for path in SRC components demos. We have keyboard demo like this. It's our demo that I showed to you. From interesting for us, it's we have there's K, and we have a code here for our actual, like, to show what we actually type. Let me try to console log this to check what space gonna show to us, because how you saw space not shown it's correctly to us. Let's console log K and console log code. Now let's open this and pay attention that K it's a B or A or whatever C, and code is KB. Usually in hotkey you're gonna use KM or even some Unicode, like some more advanced shit. And if we click space, in the code we see space, but in actual K we have nothing for space. We have space, but space it's nothing. So to add space here we need to like add, if it's empty then K gonna be like this. Like for example, if K equals yeah, it's help, like even when Surf understands this. Yeah, you see if K is space, it's gonna be space. Fixed just in the video. But I didn't want to do this actually, but okay, I will stay with this. So you see, that's how you can use this, and let's check how it's actually working. This hook where we use K encode. Let's go to this hook, and in this hook it's all easy. We just have some handler that handle our K encode, and actually we just check event listener for K down. I already showed it in a video about Page visibility. I remember it's video before this page visibility, because there we use also some event listener things for page visibility, and here it's also this one, but here we check event listener for key down when we type key down, and we can type everything what we want variably listen to this key down, and we can handle whatever we want. Just change this trigger to what you need. You can check it not only on hooks but on Vue, Svelte, VanillaJS, etc. I will show it in summary. It's all what I want to show in this video. It's a short one, but a bit of educational. So let's go to summary. Yes, Uncle Ivan. Just some summary about any hooks that I showed you before in the video. All open source code you can find in description in a GitHub repository that fully open source, and you can also find a playground here. In playground you can create add pull request with your own hook, or you can test my hooks that I already added here. It's fully native, you can use it in your projects. I also add filter, but it's just for some fun. And pay attention, one important thing: you need to enable experimental web platform features for some of the hooks. It's only for most advanced ones, but still in some videos I'm gonna show advanced API hooks, so pay attention that this in Chrome Flux in address, this experimental platform features it's enabled, and then it's all this playground gonna work for you in a good way. And last thing that I want to discuss with you, all these hooks, it's React way, yeah? It's written on React, but if you want to use Vue or VanillaJS, Angular, Svelte, etc., how you can do it easily. I just want to show you, it's like some bonus. For example, let's take use clipboard. I don't know about what hook I'm gonna speak with this video, because it's summary video. For us, you can take every hook like this, like I showed you. Use clipboard, and you can open like Grok, for example, and in Grok we just can write prompt you can just go to Vue, VanillaJS, Svelte, etc. Let me even write for Svelte just to show you, and you can just copy these hooks. In my case it's I will copy it from GitHub, and clipboard demo I also gonna copy all this code for clipboard demo, and I also add this here in a Grok in my way, but you can use GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you want. And here you can see that it just can easily convert this React way to another framework, even vanilla JavaScript. You see, because the most important one usually it's API itself. But if you don't want to rewrite it yourself, you can just ask it like this. And you can see that in VanillaJS even it's created some use clipboard functions, it's named it in React use hooks way, in React community way. But in Vue, how you know in a Vue 3, use hooks with this convention, from React. Here we can see for vanilla JavaScript it's created for Vue in composition API. You can also ask in old version of API, not in composition one, but I recommend you use composition, of course, for now in Vue, because it's a modern one. And for example, in Svelte, even it's pay attention, it's not use clipboard, because in Svelte it's usually functions, but still you see it's created some hook way function with subscribe set for writable. It's a Svelte store here, but in our case it's not matter, and still it's gonna have same logic that I show you in React. It's gonna just copy your clipboard in this way, and for all other hooks it's gonna work differently, similar, sorry, not different. Anyway, let's go. With all these knowledges, you're gonna be good in a native web API. Yes, Uncle Ivan.